Here we are. I am cooking on the rocket thing again, rocket cooker, and now I figured out how to use it as a smoker, and I'm really excited. I've got baby back ribs in there right now. So we got the hole in the top of the barrel to get the heat out, and there's a hole in the bottom of the Weber. So what I've been doing to control the heat is I've got that piece of metal, and you can see it's got a little bend in it. That's just how I found it. But it works out nice, and I'll show you why. So I use that, I slide that in and out over the hole, and that's how I control the amount of heat that goes into the Weber. With that little channel on it, I can put my smoking material on that channel and sort of extend it slightly out over the hole so you can get it to burn. You can see there's a little bit of ash there on the end of one of those little apple twigs. So inside the Weber is the pizza stone, and that acts to diffuse the heat and sort of restrict the flow so it doesn't draw too much up through the Weber and doesn't go too fast, get too hot. It also makes, like I said, it diffuses the heat well, so the blow-by is actually around the edges, and the center is nice, even temperature with no hot spots. So above the pizza stone is the grill. It's about the level of that thermometer you can see there. I've been really pleased with how well I'm able to manage the temperature. This one shows 226, and that's that sensor there going in the hole. It's about a 5-inch sensor, so it's in the vent hole. And this one is right exactly at the height of the grill, and it shows 235. And it's been going for almost 2 hours now with one single load down below. Last night I smoked a small tenderloin, and I was able to just load it once with some larger pieces of wood, and it held temperature for well over 3 hours. Those guys are doing a great job of just putting out a fine amount of smoke. Alright, it's like 9 o'clock. It's been like 5 hours since we started this thing, and everything is really coming along beautifully. This cold one here says 214, and this is the one I've been really going off of, and it says 232. So you can see the apple wood doing a great job of just kind of coaling up there. This might be a good time to show you the opening. You can see it there, and I can open it or close it, and that really quickly should reflect in the temperature. There it goes on the rise. Just open that gap a centimeter maybe, and that'll allow more heat and temperature rise, obviously. But what I want to do, it's about to get dark, and I just want to show you what's happening inside, and then I'm gonna shut it down for the night. Ta-da! Well, it's probably too dark to really get the color, but there's my ribs.